Hey guys, today may pinadala si Mami sa akin na package. Puno ng American foods or mga food ng mga Pilipino. Ang Pilipino. Okay, let's unbox. Let's go! Okay, gagamitin ko lang aking lakas. Sabi ko scotch tape eh. Scotch tape kasi. Yan. Okay. Oh no. Uno reverse. Bubble wrap. Oh! Gagi, arami pa bubble wrap. Oh my God, meron Cheetos. Ay, ayan na. Wow. Mga Cheetos. Wow. Cheetos. I told you guys it had American food. Look at this. Flaming hot Cheetos. Yes. And the second one, Nutella bread. Oh my God, look at this. Unbox it. I wonder. Yes. I wonder what Cheetos taste like. Maybe I think it's gonna be spicy because it said flaming hot Cheetos. Oh my God, I'm excited. I never tried Cheetos before. Nutella bread. Let me see it. That looks like mixer. That looks like Mexican bread. Saan kaya binubuksan? Bready. Ay, ito sa likod. Diba? Wag pa. Not yet.
Ano kaya to? Crispy waffle?
Not yet. We're just gonna
Open.
this Cheetos bag. Oh my God, this is the world's biggest Cheeto bag. Dude! I seen one of these.
The spicy one, no?
Yeah, that's the original one. I see one of these.
Cheeto.
I see one of these. Cheese puff.
Sana all may mommy.
White cheddar. Made with real cheese. And this is flaming hot Cheetos.
Cheetos.
They're big.
They're deliciousness.
Okay, this is gonna be my box. This is gonna be my home.
ASMR.
Huh?
ASMR.
ASMR? ASMR. Yung ASMR, dapat careful. Dapat hindi mabilis. Parang ganito. Okay. Kasi ASMR. Ngayon, gagawin natin tatapon ang ating bubble wrap. We don't need this bubble wrap. Bring me. Cheese puff, and we got flaming hot Cheetos. We also have Nutella bready. And it looks like French bread. Wait, let me see the ingredients. Creamy Nutella crispy wafer puffed with wheat crispy. Oh my God. Comes with packages? Look at that. Comes with packages. Snip. Smells like a box. Smell it. You smell anything?
No.
Smells just like a box. Bye bye guys.